All right, we are now in Ketchikan. So guys, we had an itinerary change. There was a storm in the Pacific, and so we ended up back in Ketchikan. If you catch our latest cruise a couple of months ago, we were actually in Ketchikan. And so we are getting off the ship again. It has been rainy. Good morning. And so we're actually at a little bit of a different dock. So this is kind of cool. So again, here is our ship, the Noordam. Oh, my husband. Hold on a second.
Why are you following me?
I think he just wants to get in the picture, guys.
I do, yes.
And it looks like a big ship, but it is actually really small. All right, here we are in the New York Cafe. We're gonna warm up a little bit with some coffee and tea. Super cute little cafe. I chose orange spiced tea. It's amazing. Best mocha, right? Look at that. There's a bunch of them, yeah.